Just look at my Phantom wallet. I made it all from rolling meme coins. I will be ungatekeeping everything, so make sure to watch until the end. I used to spend hours on hours trench grinding meme coins every single day on Memescope, but I just kept getting rugged by these random coins. For example, this one right here, it just got rugged. But eventually, I realized that every single coin on Memescope is eventually going to get rugged. For example, this one right here, it got rugged. This one, it got absolutely rug pulled. And this one, the fourth coin, it got rugged the shit out of it. And the people who are making the money out of these coins are actually the devs and the creators behind these coins. We have to become the makers behind these coins if we want to make a shit ton of money, and we have to stop trading meme coins. And the reason why I started creating and launching my own coins is because, first of all, you have nothing to lose. The only thing you have to lose is your time. And also, the second reason why I started creating my own coins is because it's free money, bro. It's literally so easy to make a coin and make some money. Like, you could get lucky and get the next big coin that pumps up to like millions of market caps. Like, it's actually insane. But now I'm gonna stop yapping and I'm gonna get straight to the point. So to create your coin, you want to come to Google and go on launch tokens.fun. Here, you will be able to make your coins with no coding required and launch them on the Raydium DEX directly. Because if y'all don't know, Pump.Fun is too saturated at the moment because too many coins are being created by the second, and the big investors are not looking into Pump.Fun coins anymore because 99% of these coins are all scams. So that's why you have to make coins on the Raydium DEX, specifically on launch tokens.fun if you want to maximize your profits. Now I can prove that by going to Photon, trending, and if you see here, the Pump.Fun market caps are extremely low, so 8k, 7k, 3k, 7k, and if I compare that to the Raydium DEX, just look at the market cap, 7 million, 7 million, 7 million, 40,000, 200,000. The point I'm trying to make is that you have to be making coins on the Raydium DEX. Now coming back to launch tokens.fun, here you can create your own coin by putting the token name, token symbol, and token image. So if Trump or let's say Elon Musk tweeted, you could simply come here and make a coin directly and make thousands. But if you are lazy like me and you want to make money with no marketing required, you can actually come to the copy trending coins feature right here, and you can copy any coin and duplicate them on the Raydium DEX. So every single coin here is trending and pumping on Pump.Fun, and you can simply just duplicate coins that have a good narrative and then make guaranteed money, because every single coin here is guaranteed to get buyers. So I'm going to create a coin to prove that you can make some money. So this coin caught my attention. It has 300 replies and a $25,000 market cap. So create coin. Then your wallet will pop up. Just go inside and a warning will pop up, but this is completely normal for this site. Just proceed anyway, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then your coin will be created shortly. Just be patient. Okay, it popped up. Now copy your token address and click on create liquidity pool. And okay, here it's already selected. Here select your Solana balance, and here click on max because you want to put 1 billion coins in the liquidity pool, and the amount token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. So you are not losing this money since you'll be the first buyer inside your coin, so you have nothing to lose. Okay, I like to put 0.5 Solana, but you can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana or more. It is your choice. I like to put 0.5 and then click on create pool, and then your coin will be created. Confirm, then click on refresh. Okay, popped up. As you can see, you're already $20 in profit. So now you can click on Photon, and then now your coin is live. Okay, it's already pushing a lot at the moment. Let's fucking go. So as you can see here, we have a couple of $3, $8, $3, $1 buys. Not bad. Let's go. It's pumping. Let's fucking go, bro. Oh my god. Let's go. It's pumping. Oh my god, bro. It's ripping. It's ripping. It's actually ripping. Okay, so if I come and see my profits and I refresh here, you can see that you're already $140 in profit, which is absolutely insane. Now it might be a good time to remove the liquidity. I think one more buy, I might do it. Okay, it's ripping. It's fucking ripping. This coin is fucking ripping. Okay, it's ripping. Okay, now it might be a good time to remove the liquidity. I could wait longer for more buyers, but I am lazy and I want to make this video short and sweet. So come back to launch tokens.fun. Click on the minus button. Do 100% remove liquidity. Come on. Confirm. And boom! We just removed the liquidity, and that's exactly how you print money out of thin air without doing anything but click buttons, bro. You can make so much money. If I open my Phantom wallet and I check my profits, $380 is inside my Phantom wallet, so I made around 1.5 to 2 Solana within a couple seconds, which is absolutely insane. Imagine you make 5 coins every single day. You could be printing a shit ton of money. Now, launch tokens.fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. Like, comment, subscribe for the 5 Solana giveaway. And after that, join my Telegram group down below. It's free, bro, and yeah, bye.